Hope everyone's doing well. You don't want to miss out on this offer, and I will show you how to claim it, but before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. We also do free Nitro giveaways. First, this only works on PC. So you will install SteelSeries in your PC. Now you will see this interface. Just create a new account. This will take you to the dashboard. Go to giveaway section and you will find Discord Nitro. Just scroll down a little. Now the issue is, you can't get the key because your account isn't verified. So just go to your mail and verify it. And voila! Now you can go back and claim that free Nitro. Also, I will be giving away this Nitro in my Discord server, so make sure to join.